to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can press a bet using BetPawa and you win. You can also be trying to use other betting companies, but specifically, I'm going to show you and I'm going to try to put some emphasis on how you can be pressing your football betting and then you win every day in an insane way. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and if you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be guiding you through each and everything. So today is 30th April, and then let me open my Google Chrome using my Android device. So you're going to go in your Google Chrome, then type in betpower.ug. This tutorial must be paid for, but I've decided just to give it out for free because you guys were losing a lot to these companies, and these companies were benefiting much more guys from you. So I wanted to put up some point on that. So I'm not going to go far. Look at this football match, Nottingham Forest, Aston Villa. So let me first put some emphasis here. If you find any football match like this, when the one home and the one out of home, they are almost 50%, as you see. That means that that means by chance these two may both score. So both teams to score, that is a 70% prediction, but I don't recommend you to do that. Now you want to bet a long sleep. We're going to go first of all check into that football match, and then so you guys, you see these teams, they have equal powers, 35%, 36%. That means they both have the capacity to score and they both have the capacity not to score. So I don't recommend you to use both teams to score at this point. You're going to just come right here where you see over and under. If you are going to bet only this football match, your betting slip or your bet slip is going to be containing one football match, this football match only. I recommend you to use over 1.5. But if you have a longer slip, like 10 football matches, you want to make an audit too, I recommend you to use over 0.5. We're not going to regret. I'm 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 emphasizing on sure wins only, sure wins. If you have a longer slip, you're going to use over 0.5. If you want it to make a green, you want a green card on BetPawa. After the end of the day when you have won, make sure you select over 0.5 if you are going to bet more than one football match. So if you are going to bet only this football match, you select over 1.5 because Nottingham Forest may score one goal and the other one, Aston Villa, may score one goal. Those are two goals. You have already won. So if you want to place under, I recommend you to use under 5.5. You know why? Because if you want a green card and it's gonna be a longer sleep, but if it's gonna be one football match, choose over 4.5, under 4.5. But do you know why I selected under 5.5? Because I don't want to be disappointed that I've lost. Because these two teams both have the a capacity to win, both have equal powers. That means they can defend and they cannot get the 6 goals in one match. So half time I don't recommend, and others let us be going on that one. Odds 1.5 or no, that one. Let me try to emphasize on another football match of another kind. Look at this one. We have this one, but this one is the same as Nottingham Forest. SC Braga and SC Flynnberg. Let me look for another football match that is in one. This one. You see this one? This one, most of you guys, if you find such football match, you want to select this one, which is okay. But the chances for this football team, such a football team to score, they are 60%. Do you know why? Because this team, the last one, may have a stronger defense. Because even those players, before going to the match, they first view how is the public seeing them. The public is saying that they are giving them 21.37 odd. Now that means they're going to strengthen their defense. Now, if they strengthen their defense, what are you going to do? Now, you must also think out of the box. You're going to select that football match because this team may score because, as you see, it may be more powerful than the other one. It may score. As you see, the chances are 88%, which is okay. Now, to be more sure about the scoring, this one may strengthen the defense, but this team may be more powerful. Now, most of the times, to be more sure, you're going to put under 6.5, which is not much safer. It is 70% safe. Or you're going to put over 2.5. This one, if you want to bet that thing, to be more sure. But if you're going to press a longer bet, more than one football match, use over 1.5. This is over 2.5 and then over 1.5. By doing that, you won't regret subscribing to this YouTube channel. Like the tutorial and then you can also share it to your friend. That is the hidden trick in this application, and you can also be winning each and every day by not selecting sure wins because they disappoint. And be trying over and under. That is it. Because this is AI analyzing, and then you are human beings also analyzing. If AI analyzes, that means human beings can also analyze, and then we predict according to our fellow human beings. Alright, let us meet in the next tutorials. I sign out.